It's been over 2 years since the crash on PCH that took the lives of 4 Pepperdine students, Asha, Deslyn, Neve, and Peyton. The murder charges against Micheal Frasier Bohm, the now 24-year-old driver involved in the deadly crash, could now be moved to an appellate court for consideration. Jenna Paraiso has the details on yesterday's hearing.
This was a tragedy. It's a tragic accident.
At Monday's pretrial hearing, a motion by the defense team to throw out the 4 murder charges against Micheal Frasier Bohm.
Good morning for a hearing.
Defense attorney Alan Jackson argued Bohm did not know his actions had a high probability of leading to death, a requirement for murder charges under California law.
Is speeding dangerous? Generally speaking, yes, speeding is dangerous. But what happened and the evidence that they presented and propounded at the preliminary hearing does not, and listen to me clearly, it does not show a high probability of death.
Jackson argued that speed alone cannot be treated as implied malice.
This is not a murder case. It's never been a murder case.
Despite the defense's argument that there was not enough evidence to prove malice in these murder charges, the judge upheld these charges based on the idea that there is evidence that he is aware of the rate of speed he was going and the dangers that that could cause, and aware of the dangers of Pacific Coast Highway, as he was quoted saying that he knew PCH like the back of his hand. The next step for the defense team, a fresh set of eyes.
We're going to have an appellate court review this court's order and make sure that we got it right. In fact, I don't believe that we did get it right.
Also in the courtroom Monday, Judge Thomas Rubinson agreed to allow the defense to get GPS and other data from the phone of a key witness in the case, Victor Calandra. Jackson argues that Bohm was trying to escape from aggressive driving by Calandra just before the crash.
Of course he was being chased. Of course he was being harassed on the road. All the evidence points to it, and we intend to show that to the jury too.
Prosecutors will look to Calandra to testify about Bohm's dangerous driving. Calandra is on the record rolling down his window to tell Bohm, "Be careful, you're going to hurt yourself," just minutes before the deadly crash. A subpoena will grant access to Calandra's relevant phone records.
We're well within our rights to make sure that we understand what was actually taking place on PCH that night.
Another hearing is set for January 14th, when the prosecution says they will push for a trial date to be set.